Who has a monkey shirt? Adrian has a monkey shirt. Take it off, Adrian. Who has a monkey shirt? Who has a monkey shirt? Adrian. Adrian, baby. You have a monkey shirt? You have a monkey shirt. Yes, you have a monkey shirt. That smile is gonna be very, very attractive. Eh? You like it? You like girls? Hey, oh. Hey, let me see you smile. Let me see it. Give me a smile, baby. Oh, did you stick your tongue out? Give me a smile. Your monkey shirt? You has a monkey shirt? A monkey shirt. Adrian has a monkey shirt. Hey. Ooh. What's that? You have a monkey shirt? Really? You have a monkey shirt? Because my baby has a monkey shirt. Monkey shirt. Monkey shirt. Ooh. Ooh. You like talking a lot, right? Say bye-bye. Your monkey shirt.